Hi up guys, in this video I will show you why the TikTok not showing followers is coming to your side. First guys, when you're on the search box right there, and if you type for a person in which, for example, is this person, this account is not a private account, and if you tap on the followers, now here you can see the followers of this person. But if we get back and find for person, which for example this one, go on it, and here as you can see this account is private. That means that you cannot see his followers or her followers. Also, if the TikTok server is down or malfunctioning, or then it just sells why you are seeing a big zero on your following and follower count. Other less likely reasons are include outdated TikTok app version. That means that you need to update it on your Google Play Store, or TikTok app cache corruption, on which you can go on your settings and then clear the cache. And also you have other similar problems which are related to this one, but it is happens because the solution is so simple. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.